Kadayawan Festival is a celebration of life and also a way of giving thanks for all the blessings received. Davao is rich in culture, nature, wealth, and is very nice place to live in. That's why Kadayawan Festival is highly celebrated throughout the entire city. And I hope that my presence would be a source of excitement and happiness for all the residents of Davao. Let's party!
Maraming salamat po for giving me this chance na nakasama ko kayo. At sana po na everyone's having fun today. Hello!
Alamos pioneered retail entertainment, and we always try to bring the best and the latest in our malls. And we also always listen to our customers. The Davaoenos have been clamoring for Sarah Geronimo, so we thought of bringing her here, surprising the Davaoenos with a show that is like bringing Sarah G live here in Davao. And you can see how happy the Davaoenos have been the whole day. They've been staying here waiting for Sarah the whole day. It's been really amazing.
Pero mas nawala ang kagutom ko, ma'am. Totoo yan.
Of course, every time po na nai-invite talaga ako sa mga out-of-town shows, pag nagmo-mall shows ako sa mga probinsya, sobra akong nai-enjoy yan kasi iba talaga yung response nila. Very responsive ang mga kababayan natin sa probinsya. Especially yun nga po sa Cebu, sa Davao. Very warm sila at appreciative talaga. At ayun, natutuwa ako at thankful naman ako na kahit na paulit-ulit ako bumabalik sa Davao, same pa rin yung warmth na binibigay nila sa akin.
Tuwang-tuwa kahit nag-ipit-ipitan kami. Masayang-masaya kami basta makita lang namin si Sarah. First time, ma'am. Pero yung anak ko, pag concert sa Maynila, nagpunta talaga doon. Kahit mayroong baha, pinapunta ko siya dahil gusto niya. Die-hard fan siya ni Sarah. Kasi lahat niya si Sarah. Lahat ng CD ni Sarah, binibili niya.
Video ko lang siya nakita, di sa TV ko lang siya nakita. So nakita ko siya ngayon. So I'm so happy na.
Mas happy naman yung show. Ano po, sino ba next time kumain po ako ng aboy para maiba naman?
Grabe, the best. Ang mga tao, ang hiyawan. I can't explain. Parang, yun nga, tumitindig yung balibo ko. Promise. Super bass kasi ang jolly talaga ng songs. Yeah, yung inuulit-ulit ko po siyang pinapanood yung super bass performance niya po sa Sarah G Live. The best.
Super bass din po. Ang cute niya kasi doon. Kumembot siya kanina. Oh my God! Ang cute na talaga. Sinabi ko, we love you, Sarah G! Oh my God.
Oh, her performance was really great. She also sang new songs, and that is what surprised the Davaoenos. She sang also her popular songs, and we somehow reminisced because she sang songs from her very strong movies like Won't Last a Day Without You and A Very Special Love.
Ang next song na ito ay special po sa puso ko at sa puso na. Alam ko sa puso ng marami, pero nag-iisa sa Miss Rowena.
Si Miss Ro, ayun, na balita. Sinabi kasi sa amin na parang favorite niya yung song na Get Here. Ano naman, nakanta ko na yung song din sa Sarah G Live. So, alam ko na rin yung song. So, yun, kinanta na rin namin para kay Miss Ro.
I don't care how you get here, just get here, baby, care.
their generation. So when she sang Get Here, it reminded me of my the time when I was still growing out with my husband. So that brought back memories. That song was really during the time when I was dating my husband. So thank you to Sarah for making me remember how it was before.
Hi Sarah! Sana ipagpatuloy mo yung pagkanta mo, pagsayaw, ang galing-galing mo. Nandito lang kami, mga fans mo sa Davao. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you. We love you, Sarah!
Pasalamat kami, Sarah, na pinuntahan mo kami dito. Kasi sa Sarah Live lang kami nanood. Kahit meron akong ginagawa, ma'am, basta Sarah na, mag-upo na talaga ako. Lalo niya yung anak ko, na talagang Sarah talaga at saka